Oh, g'day guys, it's Sam here. I am back. That is right, I've been up north for 3 weeks and I have oh god. Lens is filthy. That's to be expected, I guess. That is because I've been up north for the last 3 weeks filming the next series of Chasin Lines. Yes, that is right. And I thought it would be a good opportunity to take the Patrol up there to test it. But Sam, why didn't you just, you know, take the Patrol around the streets for a couple of weeks? Make sure it's reliable and it's gonna work. Nah, where's the fun in that, guys? You know, go big or go home. I wanted to send it out to the most remote places in the state to make sure it's gonna work. Wow, it would have been quite disastrous if it didn't, to be honest. Anyway, it did return and it only caught on fire once. That's the only problem I had, so it went well if you ask me. So I'm currently unpacking at the moment. Everything is filthy and dirty, but now that I'm back, I want to start making more videos of the Patrol running. There's heaps of stuff I want to do, but if you guys do have any suggestions or videos you want to see, please drop a comment because I would like to do them for you. But if not, that's fine, I've got plenty I want to do. But yes, this Chasin Lines series will be coming out in the next few months once I've finished the editing side of things. But if you do want to see that, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right down below. And also, if you want to see any sneak peeks, previews, behind the scenes, stuff like that, make sure to add me on Instagram at Sam Isles. And also you can check out Built Not Bought on Facebook. Just type that in and you'll find it. And yeah, I'm going to get back to packing. I just want to give you guys a quick update where I've been, what's been going on. I have a trip to, well, actually Jaeger Up's already happened. Well, the Jaeger Up trip I'm about to go on. But you would already have seen that video because that's where I filmed the release video, that little gymkhana looking thing. I don't know, I tried to do. I don't know how that went. Put a bit of effort into that. So if you haven't seen it, I'll drop a link in the description below. Go check it out because yeah, put a bit of effort into that one and hopefully you guys enjoy it. But enough chat from me. I'm gonna get back to packing up. It's starting to rain, so I need to smash this stuff inside and get the washing going. Until then, we'll see you next time, guys. Take it easy, peace. Oh hey, click the button to subscribe to my channel and you'll finally be happy.